abusua ene Black Rasta ababe kasa na Omanhene enso ababe kasa sese de Ghana fo nyina ye kasa ye maame Dr. Louisa Hannah Bissiw ho asem na ye babe kan na abusua sese no so we obi a wo follow no kakra maame waye no ho se oye oye soja new so oye denyo adwuma kra ye de ama nensa ye de ahye investment fund na say order no mineral investment fund na order no nka wo kra de ka wo de nka ye wo yi nka wonka ho nka mfa ho kra so say no wa pulley up say o galamsey fight no ya de so be lead abusua o start ye no ko chichen crofo China for ni ade and ye nyina ye Ghana for, and we all want to see galamsey say be to be trap nti maame start ye na ya de say ye nyina ye ni age at least obi a step up say galamsey no be fight against galamsey no na ye nyina ye budget no so ye nyina ni age say at least obi make effort na abusua na no ye koda sorry ya maame ko grant interview na interview no mu no ene de kokoto dwa say ne dwuma mu a oya o do say okoba bia cameras didi na chi bloggers didi echiri nye is kran ochimo okopie mu e community bia na omoye mining just behind a government school, just basic school back where dynamic videos ebeto abonte as a school na chi hope no enkofo e de omo machines e big go mo to galamsey e affect school no e community nim ebusa ma mi kasa yem no chire mu se koche 40 excavators but no ni low base na ye cars na ye de fa excavators no no ni bi into okopaki si baby say adechia no benya low base na ababesesa akọ because government edenensa atoso na busia ma mi si adechia ye na aka cars ni mo excavators na aka 10 ade 40 na aka 10 afi wi ma mi si wo twane ho twen osan koya asa aka 7 eni bisa se ma mi na danyi na wakoche ade oso wakoche 40 akopaki wo yard adechia 40 no aka 10 ewi e kura beka 7 maame wasem ya wokan die entasum ne no nenam so ama Black Rasta mu nyina ene Omanhene abaya betu just maame come again because wasem ya wokan die nya de se Ghana for with me ajatum kra because there is a hidden truth somewhere bisia and details, more details about afa maame insema o de ba betu just say excavators no bi ayra excavators no kwache ye no bi ayra no bisia details bibiri about me de nyina ebro maame kwan excavators de yira aye because one sign na di enkomo bio as say what training say but utia ento asomu na sem ne insisi so na pesa wan kata de brani ekuti enkomo twetwe no nyina wi a also so kira wa bi e comment section ase.
I'll take care on a boat in the polluted Galamsey waters so that whilst we are in there going like that, paddling, we'll be singing Asimbo Nanga, Asimbo Nafu Mandela too. Very pretty woman, African woman. She is angry. She is a member of the task force team. In fact, she is an appointee tasked to fight Galamsey. She said they have worked hard to seize 40 excavators, which they took to the police. A few hours later, they went back to the police and realized that 33 of those were missing. Only 7 remained. Wow! If this was the police under Nana Akufo-Addo, then we would understand after our party in Yaska. But this is supposed to be the police under Mahama. Am I correct? Let's get the detail. Watch this. 33 excavators I handed to police have gone missing. Dr. Hannah Bissiw Korte. Now, Dr. Hannah Louisa Bissiw Korte, administrator of the Minerals Development Fund, has expressed grave concern following the disappearance of 33 excavators that were in police custody after an anti-Galamsey operation. Now, according to her, 40 excavators were handed over to the police for safekeeping because there were no low-bed vehicles available to transport the equipment from the Galamsey sites. However, speaking in an interview on Adum FM, Dr. Bissiw, who also serves as the national women's organizer of the governing National Democratic Congress, disclosed that only 7 excavators remained when her team returned the following morning. Just less than 24 hours, 33 missing. We handed over 40 excavators to the police. But when we returned the next day, only 7 were left. I spoke with the police commander about the incident because I was unhappy with it. Right now, the 7 we managed to recover are being held. She added that the experience informed a change in strategy during her next operation at Atetem. So during my next operation at Atetem, I went with engineers as well as uniformed and plainclothes police and military officers. I also wore body armor because the last time we were ambushed and even came under fire. The engineers I brought along ensured that the excavators, which had trackers installed to prevent us from moving them, were successfully removed from the Galamsey sites. They say when the birds learn to fly without perching, the hunter must learn to shoot without missing. My brother, my sister. So this is what is happening. Which police was handed this to? Where is the IGP? Can you sanction them? That's what a serious nation does. Kai, God knows. He knew from Tete why he never made me president. This country would have been better than America. Better than England. My brother, how can you seize 40 excavators? Make the police in charge of this. Police, not land guards. My brother, my sister, less than 24 hours later you come and all these excavators that had trackers installed on them and could only be moved by the owners had only 7 left. The rest were taken away. Did the police fall asleep? Did they shoot and kill the police on duty? What was the problem? Did I say more? It means we're not a serious people. I want to plead with you, IGP. Please deal with this. I don't need to tell you that. It's an indictment on the police. Clear daylight. A government appointee is taking the police to the cleaners. Do something.
You know, multi opposition, this is our approach to fight illegality. Minerals Development Fund, pay more about managing fund. Oh, nene what TSC June. I say education minister, I'll classroom, I'll coach Radi. Put in the necessary measures. These politicians, you don't get them. In opposition, the way they talk, when they have power, they repeat same and give excuse and give defense. Now, is it normal? And I was so confident. Before I put from far, soldier for the 33, Missy, MPP time, when these excavators were missing, I don't get it again. I'm tired. You know, when you wake up and you want Ghana to develop and you have people who always take us back, with this optics, now more year children. The Mamuka said that's all Stone Age. You want to fight an illegality that you've shouted and make noise and make votes out of it. And this is the approach. Excuse me, please. Sometimes go straight to the point. Let them know. This cannot be entertained. Even the sector minister is talking about lack of coordination. Minerals guy no because I'll say Nipa 4 baby back. What is this? Let's stop this. Because you need to tell the chief executive. I don't know how you're going to one guy say, "Who know about bulletproof vest?" Police for a child was saying, "You know, be a good idea." And I was saying that Jiran, na camera, na camera, no kasi torch na ese. Cause my show off, sir. Moma describe Galamsey as a terrorist situation. Is that how you fight terrorism? Is that how, if you want to fight terrorism, is that how you fight it? When you are the cabinet, did what you say, because bloggers did your chase. Now, because you have no idea. Please, if you want to help the president to be successful, go and manage your fund. Go and manage it. Allow the sector minister and the relevant bodies, and then the same secretariat they complained about, they've also come to establish a secretariat. You can't believe politicians in this country. We are serious as people, and we are taking politicians on for almost 35 years, still counting. And you come and do this to me, and you expect me to clap for you? What is this? Are we not changing our strategy a bit? Taking us as vulnerable as we are, always taking advantage of us, abusing us. We get people to follow this. Oh yeah, where are they? Where? Paying and cut off ma. Where I go fast for of my money now. Please, if we were coordinated and power to say citizens, if there was coordination, we are there catch them say, Adia 44, Adia Chinaka, only police commander go cause no background number. There's no coordination. So what are you talking about?
Was it ni fear say a beer no body?
You see, don't go there. If you do that, you are deliberately trying to do things that I don't want that. Let's be truthful to the situation. That is where we are now. 68 years, we cannot continue to be hiding under some of these things. I've told you, any politician who comes before you, who say, "Oh no, necessary or someone, you necessary or someone," please, why? I don't know why are we here? What is this? Yeah, and then the challenges that we have.
Yeah.
What is he talking about? Now saying you have Galamsey, there's a question coming here and training, Metis Erasmus, or no coordinated for coordinated. Now no two gigging, Yachini bro. Look at the cost of multimedia, and one can we go through. Okay, a joke. I believe prove not how he is in our boat treachery. Here, the butchers are maybe soon says they come across it. A member cry a call say crop, member can think a one key problem, or be a compromise. So you think that you, minerals fund 14 again, you think you alone with what years, no one want not yet. What that is him that they should stop her from that thing. It's not safe for us. If we don't start telling them at their faces, please. That was our normal size, Crocodile Jones, last campaign, time as and away is in a way, is inside the original, and the minister was a and the minister say 44. We'll do us a question with the 44, and then the 44, and the
Ayira.
You know, I'm in more to be no, that's it, Mamponi cook,
Yamenka. The first time Erasmus aside don't come back, no. Share video about say operations na Honorable Hannah Bissiw no. The sector minister, the defense minister, the interior minister aware to response for the buy.
Na mini lobe. Ena me frefre ni esi o watch ade eche na aka 7 ehọ na tie ehọ nom na mini prosini no commander ne ko ti wo dia 7 na nya ne dia machi akosio
40 your court is
me ba sa videos wo do amame na me kwara me Erasmus asar donko ekodi enkomo Erasmus good morning Erasmus. Yeah, Erasmus, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. Are you possible, sir, 33 excavators bet me ayira? With number of years, how do I near Digalamsi achieve?
I just said Nipakra, Unim Saira, no Onion Agents wash. So Onion Agents wash, shed the eye. And the Naira. I to say, what the Anomash on them. Na odi akwachire opanyi se anomanu wawu ana wanyame enti se panyimu no kacho se wawu a no waja anomana madapi o kacho se onwu ya no wamia no wonse mama na wu ebi no excavator nya dia eye match sadaka de odi she obodu na odi she bag akusi se uja no onwuram na so obi kra try say we move or the question baby tracy na namo no a betimi akohu se ehya na se ha the low bed and what the fire betimi tracy and I even ade a chen ya oba ya access excavators nipa kwa o mine wo ho no udi nipa kwa o mine den ya nipa kwa no be approach you abesere wo se fa excavators no man na wo chi nipa wo ho a obo akasa ha be che o se you know concession na illegal mining activity na nipa smesi dia eti enya difficult class of tracy baby excavators no eti ese ebeka excavators ayira no ya na enwonwa nipa ko ni da so no onye na agents wo hwehwe ana omo ahwehwe no omo nim baby ewo ana omo da so hwehwe eno de oba hwehwe ache wunhu eti ne ewo mu no
will you support say yem pebedwako ni enya hwehwe mu fa sa adwe ho
I was me my say president were interested. That's what is serious say of fighting Galamsey. And Kabana ki apon wi. Any rocket science o. Nemum yenim solution no and there be a dancing around it. Ye sapa on sa na solution it no. And a way so say the BIA can say Prosifoni Bibre corrupt, they have been compromised. Prosifoni Bibre work Galamsey prone areas, no don't wanna no my compromise to the extent say almost illegalities no but almost yamonsi. Wow, Bakako fight, you know, they will fight against you. There have been so many instances, Western North. And Prosifo and who say Galamsey Kosovo, almost yamonsi. Also, another security operative said, "Uncle, no, cost of woman, and not the almost here, no, Massuma principal about her, I didn't know about." And the way, and young one say, "Yeah, did ya prosinia? Prosinia, the Bama Quine said, Monko for my dear uncle, no, I didn't crash the butu." I was an IGP, Institute Investigation into Sardian and Coursework. They are finding out, easy to find. So why and the mark more exercise excavators in the field? Say the idea Jawa or Bohom by almost corporations be brain, which excavator when my wound yan horse were jan horse are. These are so bit to control boards, Now they are coffee, and the mobile multimeter, now dear chair, what by tracking in your field. And I say, what the men every room on my Bohom by. But to the extent that multimeter excavators 33 room go. Eko fi ko ta e ma de chi e si ni ho. Protein e de share den sa o si busa de ho asem.